In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy Funded Trader Markets account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser. Then from here, you'll need to go up to the URL and click fundedtradermarkets.com. From here, it should be looking something like this. And up here, you'll need to click register up in the right hand corner. And then from here, you'll need to add in your email address, confirm your email address, first name, last name, phone number, zip code, city, state, country, and address. Then you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions of Funded Trader Markets and click register. Then from here you'll need to verify your email, and then when you're done with that, you'll get into this page right here. From here you'll need to create a new challenge. And to do that, you need to go up here to the dashboard and click Start New Challenge. From here it should look something like this. And as you can see here, you have 15 minutes to do it, and you'll need to select an account type, which you can choose between either 1 or 2-step evaluation or instant funding. You'll also be able to choose between the account steps, either step 1, step 2, or step 2 plus. Then you'll need to change the account size to what you want to have, either 5k, 10k, 25k, 50k, 100k, 200k, or even 300k. From here you'll also need to check in the platform, which you can either choose between C-Trader, Match Trade, Trade Lock, or Platform 5. Then from here you can click continue, and then you'll need to add in billing details and then click continue again. And then you can apply coupons to get the most cheapest offer that you can have. Then you can place order and then buy your account. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!